Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to start new numbering list in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Then we click the text box and click numbering option. Then choose any numbering. Now I select this. Then write anything on the number list. Then press enter. Now we want to start new numbering list. Click right button on our mouse. Then we can see here many options. We delete the number. Press backspace. Then again go back the numbered list option. Then choose the first number. Now we can see we start new numbering list very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.